In this video, I'm going to explain you how to fix Xfinity Xfi pods not connecting. So you're gonna have to check that your Wi-Fi extenders are not plugged in to power outlets that are connected to light switches. Check that Wi-Fi extender is placed in an electrical outlet hallway between your gateway and an area without coverage. Also, make sure that your Wi-Fi extenders are visible and not blocked by furniture or other large objects. You can also try unplugging the Wi-Fi extender and plug it in back in, and it may take a minute for the Wi-Fi extender to connect. Now, if you still get the error, you just have to simply contact them, and as you can see, they have 24/7 real-time support. So you're gonna have to simply talk with them. You can scan the QR code and simply tell them about your problem if you tried these methods and still don't work. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.